Hey guys, what's up? Abhishek here, and today I will be showing you the disassembly of the all-new YU YUPHORIA. This was purchased on stock Android, but I have changed it to cyanogen mode. Yes, so this is the new piece that you get. First thing would be just power off the device and remove the back panel, and you need a plus sign of bit. The battery, SIM cards, remove everything, keep it aside. Battery, yes, so I would be removing the warranty seal. Just a minute. Yes, you need another flat screwdriver that you just put over here and take this thing out. So just put it over here, just remove like this. So this is one piece, guys. So this is one piece of the part. So put a thing like this, and try to remove very slowly so that you don't damage. Yes, this is another part. There is another part. I think so it cannot be detached because it is connected to the body. And yes, as you can see here, the motherboard, the SIM slot 1, SIM slot 2, and the SD card reader. This wire, as you can see here, this thing, that is the antenna cable, guys. The 8 megapixel primary shooter. Let's see if I could remove the motherboard. Remove this. Just take a plucker so that I can remove it very carefully. And just two. Okay guys, there is a screw present over here, so be careful while disassembling it. Let's keep the screw aside. There is another screw present in a corner over here, so be careful. Keep aside. Try to remove from the corner so that it comes very easily. There is another screw. Yes, there is another screw which is silver color, which you cannot see. I'm sorry. Yes, I think it's done. So let's try to remove. Okay, I'll remove from here and I'll just take back. Okay, lift from here, guys, and take back so that you don't disturb. Okay guys, so there is another hidden things which you has hidden from us. So be careful while removing this. Remove the sticker first. And remove this thing. And you're done. And as you can see, this is the only thing that powers YU YUPHORIA. I think this is the antenna cable or the Wi-Fi signals. I don't know what exactly these two pins are. And as you can see here, I don't know what exactly you can see or not. It is Samsung, and as you can see, it's now Qualcomm EMSM8916. So this one cable is also very important, guys. We should remove this. It will be automatically removed. So this is the 8 megapixel primary shooter, the 5 megapixel front shooter, and the headphone jack, the battery inlet, and the rest all are the chips. So yes, that's all. And I would be picking up this chip over here, so that make sure you do like this. While inserting, you have to do like this, so that you insert this chip in the correct way. Oops. Dude. So guys, it was a bit tough to put this thing correctly. So but it's kind of okayish right now. So I prefer to say that don't disassemble it, because it's kind of tough to reassemble it. If you're kind of okay with the electronical thing, then please you can proceed. There is no big thing. And make sure you enter this thing properly, very carefully, guys. If this thing gets cuts off, then the device won't be able to respond you properly. Yes, and this thing is done. Chip. And just press it perfectly, and the thing you can see, this black color is the phone vibrator. Okay, that thing helps us to notify our notifications. So I'll just remove this and plug this properly. Yes, everything is plugged perfectly right now. So I will be again assembling it. So while just putting it, just press it carefully so that you won't harm your device. This is the speaker, rear speaker, loudspeaker. Put it like this. Press it very carefully, and let's put the battery and test it, guys. So someone into the micro SD card and the battery. So yes, let's test it out. Let's see whether it boots up or not. Yes, it boots up. So sorry guys, there was my camera issue. So as you can see, it's fully functioning right now. So both sim are working. Let's test out the camera. Is it working or not? Yes, it is working. This is the back camera. And yes, it is working fully fine, guys. As you can see, the flash too is perfectly working, the speaker is working, everything is working fine. So yes, everything is working fine, guys. So if you like this video, please do hit like, comment, share, subscribe. So if you like more kind of videos, so please hit a like button, and also please subscribe. It would help the channel. So thank you so much. Thanks so much.